Welcome to Ambient Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to sync audio and video with Adobe Premiere Pro. Start by creating a new bin in your project window. Then name it appropriately. When working on larger projects, we recommend that you organize your film project based on shooting days. If you shoot on cameras and an audio recorder with professional timecode inputs, you can jump ahead to the import process and advance this video to 1 minute 40 seconds. For those of you that shoot on cameras without a dedicated professional timecode input, we will show you how to prepare your clips with the free of charge DaVinci Resolve application. However, if you have any questions about how to incorporate professional timecode to your setup, please watch our tutorials at Ambient University or at nanolocket.com. Within DaVinci Resolve, drag and drop the clips into your media window. Select the appropriate clips. Right-click and choose Update Timecode from Audio, LTC. This action will copy the timecode information from the audio track into the clip metadata. Now all clips are showing the correct timecode information. Use the DaVinci Resolve Media Management in the File menu to export the modified video clips that now include timecode information. In the pop-up, select the Transcode tab. Make sure to use the same setting as the original file format. Choose the destination of the exported files and hit Start. Go back to Premiere Pro, where you can now easily import all the clips into your project just as you normally would. Drag and drop your audio and video files into the shooting day bin. Sort your files by the media start information. By doing so, you can see which audio file goes with which video file. Select one video file and the audio files that were recorded at the same time. Right-click and select Merge Clips. Select Synchronization Point Timecode, then hit OK. There will be a new merged file available in your media list. If you drop this file into your timeline, you'll see the audio and video clips perfectly aligned, ready to edit. If you are shooting with 2 or more cameras at a time, we recommend synchronizing each clip with a dedicated audio file. To do so, select the file from the first camera and merge it with your sound file. Then select the file from your second camera and merge it with the same audio file, and so on. Matching the audio of the multi-camera shoot gives you the possibility to bring the video clips in line if needed. Otherwise, you can use the multicam option. To organize your project, create another bin and move your merged files into the new bin, as you no longer need to access the original clips. Congratulations, as this will save you a lot of time every shooting day, giving you more time to be creative.